The District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Coimbatore, has redirected Royal Enfield and its authorized dealer Bharat Automotives to pay rupees 5.1 lakhs as compensation to the customer over repeated issues for his Continental GT 650 motorcycle. The complaint was filed by Coimbatore-based advocate Uthresh Gobu, who purchased a cafe rider in May 2022. According to him, the bike developed recurring mechanical and electrical issues soon after delivery, replaced in repeated workshop visit, prolonged repair periods, and significant inconvenience to the owner. Represented by Advocate R. Shivakumar, the complainant stated the bike suffered repeated failures, including multiple components, including instrument console, keyset, suspension assembly, throttle body, electric wiring, sensor, exhaust pipe, and silencer. According to him, the instrument console was replaced 6 times, the keyset was changed 3 times, several other parts were replaced under warranty, but the issue recurred. Service record, invoice, job cards, and correspondence submitted before the commission confirmed the repeated repairs and replacement. The motorcycle was taken across various cities, including Coimbatore, Pune, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Noida, New Delhi, and Kulu Manali. He claimed that the bike remained at service centers for more than 294 days of the ownership period. According to him, this caused disruption to his professional commitment, mental distress, and financial losses. The complainant highlighted discrepancies related to vehicle sales and register process. It is alleged that the dealer charged a higher premium insurance than initially quoted. Errors were also made in the spelling of the owner's name, an official document, and during the registration process, resulting in an incorrect detail on the RC. After examining the submission and supporting document, the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Coimbatore, headed by President P. Dakshinamurthy and member G. Suguna, termed it as a deficiency in service. The commission directed both Royal Enfield and Bharat Automotives to jointly pay rupees 5 lakhs for the mental agony, hardship, and expenses incurred during repeated repairs, and additional rupees 10,000 must be awarded towards litigation cost. The order directs the amount to be paid within 2 months, failing which 12% interest per annum will be charged.